In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily import and upload images into your Canva project. So here we are in a brand new Canva project. Here is our canvas here. On the left-hand side, you'll see all of the options here. You want to go to Uploads, so click into Uploads, and then click the purple button here, or the button that says Upload Files, and then go ahead and locate the image that you want to upload to Canva. Either double click on it, you can click and hold and drag it into your image like so, or just click on open here. All of those will work. Now your image will be here directly into your Canva canvas for you to basically manipulate. Now, if you uploaded it through the button, you can click here and then all of your uploads will be here, whether they're images, videos, or audio under these tabs here. And you can just go ahead and click on them to add that image directly into your canvas. Also, if you wanted to, you could just open up your File Explorer, whether you're using Windows, PC, or Mac, take and locate that image, click and hold, and then drag that onto your actual Canva project. If you're on mobile, like I am here within my iPhone, you'll see at the very bottom of a project all of the different tools. You want to go ahead and slide to the right slightly until you see the one that says Uploads with the cloud. Tap onto that there. It will then present to you the button that says Upload Files. Tap on Upload Files, and then you'll have all of the normal places where you can get the files from. So if it's from your device, go ahead and tap into Device, and you can select something from your photo library, select the image, make sure it's checked off there, and then go to Add, and that will add that image to your uploads. And then when you go ahead and tap on that image there, it will add that directly into your Canva project. That's it. That's how you easily import and upload images into Canva. If you have any questions, put those down below. See you guys in the next video.